Today in this video I have a free pack with presets for you to use this spring. Well, you know that this is marketing, right? Because you can actually use the presets for whatever you want. And it's not one or two, there are a lot. 20 presets that I have in this pack completely free, and you can use it in Lightroom and Photoshop. Before showing you these presets, go to the description, there is a link there, it's a Google Drive, so you just click it, download the presets, and that's it. Super easy. By the way, I'm preparing a pack with a lot of presets for different scenarios that I'm gonna sell to a crazy price. In fact, I will soon publish a video where I will talk about the high prices of presets on the market, actually digital products in general. Many YouTubers sell presets like if they were gold. That is crazy. Well, it's gonna be a controversial video that is coming up, so just stay tuned. Now let's go to Lightroom so I can show you the presets that I have in this free pack. Okay guys, when you download the pack, you're gonna see these free spring presets. Here inside you have the 20 presets, and then you're gonna come here in the left side of Lightroom, you will see presets and you have the plus button. So you're gonna click in the plus button, import presets, you will find this folder, you open it and you select all the presets and you put import. As simple as that. I already did it, so I don't need to do it again, of course. So let's do it. So I have this picture, the exposure is very good, so I like to use the preset Bliss 05S, this one over here. You could use the Bliss 05, but you can see that it's giving a lot of highlights in the face, so I think Bliss 05S is perfect. I will not do much here because normally when you install presets and you use presets, I like to start to edit. It's not that when you put the preset is already done and it's final. But in this case, it seems like it's final. In this case, this preset is like perfect. I will actually play with the amount of the preset here on the top. It's in 100%, you can actually exaggerate and you will see that it goes too orangey. And if you go all the way to the other side, it's basically you took it out, there's no preset. So I will go not to 100%, but maybe to 80. And I think that is perfect, okay? Now, if you want, you can also add a vignette, or you can come here and start to change whatever you want, because this is the good thing of the presets, that you can see exactly what the preset is about, and you can do some tweaks and things that you would like to do in case it doesn't match perfectly to your photo like it's matching in mine, okay? Let's go to the next picture. Now I have this picture here, I took it in Beacon Hill Park. This is in Victoria, Canada. It's a beautiful place. It's an island that is basically in front of Vancouver. It's beautiful. I wish I will come back. You never know, you never know. The preset that I like, that I tried already and I like, is this one over here, the Kiss 01S. I think it's okay. I think maybe I will take a little bit, not like before. I will just take 10%, like 91 is gonna be fine. So here what I will do, for example, is create a mask. Maybe on the top you can create a mask and take out the highlights. So this is not an editing tutorial. I want to show you the presets. I don't want to talk too much. I want you to download the presets and enjoy. So it's beautiful, as you can see. It's very nice. It's like a Moody style preset. So let's go now to the next picture. Now I wanted to show you this picture because the real picture is actually darker. If I show you, you can see how it was. It's actually dark. It's a lot of shadows, a lot of blacks, and I corrected the picture a little bit. I mean, the exposure, you can see I added 0.5 the exposure, I add a little bit of highlights, I took out some shadows so it can look nicer. I mean, I didn't correct it 100% because you never know what's gonna happen with the preset, but at least for the preset to work properly, you can already adjust the exposure and then go with the presets, and then still you can keep correcting more and more, of course. So here I will add the first preset, the Bliss 01S. It makes the picture moody but very nice. You see the colors, it's very nice. Now that I did this, I can fix it. I like that the sun is coming through the leaves and the trees and it's illuminating the girl super nice. So what I can do is actually make that stand out, and I will use a radial gradient, and I can do it like this, and I can just put it here. And I'm not going to exaggerate because I like the picture how it is, okay? So what I will do is maybe a little bit more of highlights. Maybe I'm gonna take some shadows. Then maybe I can add exposure, like maybe just 0.2, not much. Other thing that you can do is take out 10% more or less. I'm gonna go for like 90, 88, let's see, 90. I will leave it there. And we are done. That's it. Look at this picture. It's so nice. Now, also, I wanted to show you here. You saw that I have more presets here. So these presets that are here, I already gave them away to you. So I would suggest you to go to the channel, look for the playlist, free stuff, and you will find there a lot of packs, not just of this preset, but LUTs and titles and Mogart files, a lot of packs that I've been giving away in these last years. So enjoy. Guys, I hope these presets are useful to you, and tell me what do you think about them in the comments below. By the way, there is also a free pack with cinematic LUTs coming up that I'm preparing for you, so stay tuned. It looks like this year I'm giving away a lot of stuff. And now, until next week.